how can I use Helium 10 data to build a strong exact match PPC strategy? So first off, Helium 10 is a third-party tool. And then when it comes down strong exact match PPC strategy, here the strategy, what it's asked about is out of the 4 ad types that you can run, like how you're going to match the keyword, exact match, phrase match, broad match, and broad modified, but they're asking about exact match. So they want to show up exactly for the specific keyword that they're targeting. In this case, again, if you're saying that you want to use Helium 10, what you can do is, first off, there's a way how you can look up your own listing, you know, how it's performing through Cerebro. You can look up your own listing and see which are the keywords that right now I'm not targeting in my listing. However, I'm ranking organically above place 50. So above the, you know, on the first page of Amazon. And of course, if it's between the 20 and the 50 range, you can be considering, hey, does it make sense for me to advertise maybe 5 of the keywords and see in exact match if I'm going to advertise, will I produce the same amount of sales, you know, or would it move the needle at least? So that would be one of the strategies. The second strategy here you can do is you can look up your competitors and see what are the keywords that they are bringing traffic and revenue from. And the way how you would know this is that they are ranking higher or within the first page, in this case, of Amazon. These 2 of the ways how you can use Helium 10 data to build exact match campaigns.